In today's video, you will learn how to fix PayPal money on hold issue. If your PayPal payment is currently on hold and you cannot access the money right away, this usually happens when PayPal wants to review the transaction first before releasing the funds. This is very common for accounts that are new, inactive for a long period of time, or accounts that do not receive payments regularly. In some cases, PayPal may hold the funds for up to 21 days while they monitor account activity and verify transactions for security purposes. When you check the payment details, you may notice a message explaining that PayPal is holding the funds temporarily to help keep buyers and sellers safe. Even though the payment has already been sent by the client, the money will remain unavailable until PayPal completes the review process or until you take certain actions to update the transaction information. One reason this can happen is because the account has not received payments for a long time. If your account was inactive or you stopped receiving regular client payments, PayPal may automatically treat future transactions as higher risk. That is why some users suddenly see their payments placed on hold even if everything is legitimate. PayPal may also suggest requirements such as receiving multiple successful payments or reaching a certain amount in completed sales before holds are reduced automatically. However, this may not be practical for freelancers or users who only work with a few clients occasionally. If your income is not consistent, waiting for several more payments can take a long time. To help speed up the release of the funds, go to the Payment Activity section and locate the transaction that is currently on hold. Open the payment details and look for the option to update shipment or order information. Since digital services or freelance work usually do not involve physical shipping, the best option is to update the order status instead of adding tracking information. When updating the order status, choose the option that indicates the order has been processed. For digital work or online services, tracking information is not required. After selecting the correct order status, submit the update so PayPal can review the transaction progress. Once the information has been submitted successfully, PayPal may display a confirmation message explaining that the shipment or order information has been updated. In many cases, this helps speed up the payment review, and the funds may become available within 24 hours, although the exact timing can still vary depending on the account and transaction. Even if the payment still shows as on hold immediately after the update, the review process may already be moving forward in the background. At that point, all you need to do is wait for PayPal to finish processing the transaction and release the funds to your balance. Hope this helps, and thank you for watching.